Hi everyone, welcome to NanoElan and back to manual testing video series. In today's video, I'll talk about what is pesticide paradox and methods to prevent it. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For clear information, please watch my video completely till the end. Let's get started. What is pesticide paradox? If same test cases are continuously repeated every time, then these same test cases won't find new bugs anymore. This is known as pesticide paradox. In such scenarios, the developers need to be extra careful where the testers have found more flaws and are not allowed to look into other areas. Then let us see what are the different methods to overcome this. You need to come up and write a new set of test cases to test various parts of the software application. Also, to prepare and add new test cases in the existing test suite. With all these above methods, more defects can be identified in such areas where the number of defects has been reduced. That's all. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.